Working on some 4-liter Chrysler heads, I'm going to do a resurface and change some valve seals on them. The surface wasn't that bad on these things. I had to take 3/1000 for them to clean up. Now I got the heads in my head machine and I'm taking the springs off to get to those valve stem seals. They were hard as a rock. And then I'm using just a little bit of oil and installing the new premium Viton valve stem seals. All shiny and ready to go. That's going to do it for this one, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.